Tired of struggling to get your amazing product reviews seen by more potential customers? I'm here to show you how to effortlessly connect judgment to Google reviews in just a few simple steps, boosting your online presence and turning happy customers into powerful advocates. First, head over to your judgment dashboard. Next, navigate to the Integrations tab located in the Settings menu here. You'll find a list of available integrations. Locate Google Reviews and click on the Connect button. You will be prompted to authenticate and authorize judgment to manage your Google reviews. Select the Google account associated with your Google business profile. Make sure it's the correct one. Google will ask you to grant judgment permission to manage your reviews. Carefully review the permissions and then click Allow to grant access to your Google account. This is a crucial step so judgment can work its magic. Once connected, you'll see your Google business profile listed on the judgment integration page. Now, you need to configure your syndication settings. Choose between automatic syndication, where all reviews meeting your criteria are automatically sent to Google, or manual syndication, where you approve each review individually. You can also set a minimum star rating for reviews you want to syndicate. That's it. Now, your judgment reviews will automatically appear on your Google business profile, building trust and driving more customers to your business. Congratulations!